Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the environment. Save any open files and close non-essential apps so memory and CPU are free. Next, read the crash dialog or error code. This gives a direct hint about the failing component or driver. Once done, perform a full reboot rather than a quick sleep cycle because that clears transient locks and cached corruptions. Make sure to reproduce the crash immediately after reboot to confirm whether it was a one-time glitch or a persistent fault. You now narrow the likely causes by focusing on drivers and updates. Start by updating the OS and critical drivers such as graphics and chipset, because outdated drivers cause most intermittent crashes. If the crash began after a recent install, disable or roll back that driver or app to see if stability returns. Once done, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate background conflicts. This step reveals whether a third-party service or startup item is responsible. You finish by repairing corruption and validating stability. Run file system checks and integrity tools like chkdsk and sfc to fix damaged system files that trigger crashes. If the specific app crashes, reinstall it or restore from a known good backup to remove malformed settings. After repairs, stress test with typical workflows to ensure the crash is resolved. If the problem persists, collect logs and crash dumps to send to support. That data accelerates diagnosis and prevents repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.